a strength and nutrition coach reveals the benefits of walking for older people and offers a walking workout tailored to all fitness levels. Today's video discusses the best walking workout for older people.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
4-week walking workout plan for older people. Overview. This 4 weeks challenge builds on it each week, increasing in both time and intensity to improve your overall health and fitness and to help boost your mood. Instructions. Each workout will be done for a set period of time. Workouts are set by week. Links are your guide for the day's workout, depending on what weeks you are in before you head out on your own or with family or friends. Set a timer on your phone or watch at the start of each session so you are able to keep track on the intervals. There are set number of sessions per week. Note that this is minimum. You can do more if you would like to and are able to. Schedule your workout into your calendar just before the start of each week to help hold yourself accountable. Week 1, 20 minutes. 5 minutes to warm up at an easy pace. 10 minutes speed up to and maintain a brisk pace. 5 minutes. Cool it down to an easy pace. Week 2, 25 minutes. 10 minutes warm up at an easy pace. 10 minutes speed up to and maintain a brisk pace. 5 minutes cool it down to an easy pace. Then week 3, 30 minutes. 10 minutes warm up at an easy pace. 15 minutes speed up to and maintain a brisk pace. 5 minutes cool it down to an easy pace. Week 4, 40 minutes. 15 minutes warm up at an easy pace. 15 minutes speed up to and maintain a brisk pace. 10 minutes cool it down to an easy pace. 5 ways to power up your walk. 1. Change your walking terrain. Challenging up the type of ground you walk in an awesome way to challenge the ways your muscles and joints work. 2. Reverse your walking route. If you have a walking route you love, stick with it, but go in the opposite direction. 3. Pick up your walking pace. Stick with the same route for at least 2 days. Each time you walk, try to cover more ground in less time. 4. Add some mindfulness to your walk. As you walk, focus on the feeling in your body, the way your feet feel as you take each step, the way your muscles feel on every stride. 5. Muscles up. If you are cleared for exercise and feel like giving yourself an additional boost, throw in some body weight strength training along your route. So what do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.